Are you looking for one of the best places in Roseburg? I'm going to show you one of the coolest houses here in Roseburg, and we are only about 5 minutes to town. This house sits just outside of Roseburg on the Melrose area, overlooking vineyards. This place is really cool. View of the river. So we are going to just check it out. It is right behind me, right there. And stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I've got something really cool. If you've got guests that always come over, crazy uncle, in-laws that are always here, I've got something special for you with this house. So let's go check it out. All right. This house is just over 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, everything on the main floor, single level. There's a loft upstairs. So let's check it out. All right, so we got the entryway, built-in. Stone gas fireplace, stone up to the ceiling. Mind you, vaulted ceilings. Look at how cool those ceilings are, vaulted. Check out this view. You've got Umpqua River just right over there. I'll show you in some other shots. So much parking. He's got a toy hauler that he can just do circles in the driveway down here. But look at those views. That's amazing. I'm going to show you the outside a little bit later. Let's check out the rest of the house. All right, so you've got the kitchen here. Built-in ovens, granite countertops, touchless. How cool is this? A pot filler, granite, flat stovetop gas, hardwood floors. Laundry room. Bathroom. Just a powder room there. Master bedroom. Look how big this master bedroom is. King size bed over here. Vaulted ceilings. Check out this walk-in closet. It is huge. Master bath. Walk-in shower. Beautiful, look at that. You want to see the rest of the house? Come on. Let's go check out the rest of the house. Let's go check out the loft upstairs. So if you're not wanting a 2-story house, but can't find anything, this one is all right, because that's all you got up here. This over here could be an office, workout room, get away from other people. This is the spot. It's cool. All right, so you got your main bath. Bedroom number 2. Look how big that is. Plus, a little sink in there. Look at that. Oh, hey. That's pretty cool. Shelving up above. Pretty awesome. Good sized room. And you got your third bedroom. Looks out to an amazing view. All right, I'm gonna take you outside and show you some cool stuff about this place. By the way, double doors. All right, so here is the outside. So let's just take a look. You got a nice, cool patio area right here. Nice concrete all the way around. Huge parking area. You can also turn a trailer around right here as well. Come up the driveway. Also, there are two driveway accesses, two accesses into the house. Then you've got the attached 2-car garage. So let's walk over here. I'm just going to turn the camera around so you can see this great views. Concrete all the way around. Beautiful cedar bulk march here. All right, you've got those crazy guests that never go away. That weird uncle. Or you're looking to have people stay for a long time. Or better yet, a great side hustle for an Airbnb. Check this out. We have got down here, hopefully I don't fall down these steps. So we've got down here a studio apartment. Now check this out. This is cool. So this is a 2-car shop with an attached studio apartment. This place, just here, you've got stove, kitchen sink, refrigerator, and just a perfect little studio. And it is so well done. New flooring, bathroom, full bath, shower, sink, toilet, everything you need. I mean, so if you've got those guests that aren't going away, those sleepover guests or whatever, stick them down here. You're away from the house. So this is perfect. This is my favorite part about this property, except the views. The views are awesome too. But you've also got this shop. Perfect. 2-car shop. Do whatever you want in there. Look at that. Now, if you are looking for a single story, 1 level with a shop on 5 acres, 2,400 square feet, this property is for you. It has got everything. There is nothing left behind on this property. Everything has been redone. It's got a beautiful driveway coming up. You got a little storage shed over here. A little extra parking that's great for boat parking or whatever you're looking for. And check that out. Beautiful. Look at those views. This place is it. This is what you're looking for. So if this is what you're looking for, give me a call, text, email. I'd love to talk to you, show you this property in person. And also, let me know what you think. Hit that comment button down below. Let me know what you think. And I've got properties like this. If you are thinking about moving to Roseburg, properties like this don't come up very often. but there are some. So give me a call, text, email. This property is in Melrose. The vineyards are right over there. So this place is it. And with that, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.